Come with me and you will see all the things that we find in the trash. It's garbage picking time!
So my buddy Rick gave me a call. He said he was throwing out a radio. So what a good chance to look inside his wild and wacky garage. You never know what you can find. So I went to take a look at this radio, and it had been sitting in there probably for 20, 30 years. And so I said, yeah, I'll take it off your hands. So I took it, threw it on the back of my truck. It was kind of cool. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with this thing. But it has been sitting in his garage for so long that it was probably filled with a bunch of bugs and dust. There was actually some bird poop on it on the bottom there. And I don't know what this thing had been through. He said it had worked at one time and then just didn't have the room for it, so he put it out in the garage. And he just wanted to get rid of it. He was cleaning out his garage, throwing a bunch of stuff away. And so I figured I'd pick this thing up. He wouldn't throw away give me that ET though. That was kind of cool. So in this video, we're gonna clean it up so I can put it in the house and then decide later what I'm gonna do with it. So let's show the process. Here we go! Clean, clean, clean!
I think I see that guy's underwear.
You're not bringing that in the house. That's disgusting. It tastes like poop.
That thing's got more cobwebs than Shelev's lair in that Lord of the Ring movie.
Mop, 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 all day long. Mop, 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 as I sing this song. Gotta clean up them floors, make them shine. Gonna wipe off that graffiti with turpentine.
Ooh, that looks so fabulous. Well, I got this all cleaned up, and it's looking pretty good now, I guess. It's presentable. It's not the best, but, it's got the dirt off and the spiders are out, and, that was my big concern. I didn't want to bring these big freaking who knows what's been living in this thing, And, hey, it's presentable, I guess you could say. So here's the inside of the radio. Basically just got all the cobwebs out of it. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Maybe put it in the comments. Let me know what you even think the thing's worth. Here's that little roto magnet thing. When I was spraying with air, it took a little bit of the covering off that. That's actually cardboard, believe it or not. I think it's just a covering. You can't plug these in. I did not plug this in because the caps will short out, I guess, or become leaky over time, and you could short out the power supply and really do damage if you plug these things in cold after being not used for 30, 40 years. So I want to be careful of that, and you have to check the caps. I'm kind of zooming in here. There's some mice damage, I guess you could say. The wires are chewed up a little bit right there, and luckily it doesn't look like they got inside the chassis, but they did a little bit of damage in there. So those wires will have to be fixed. So, this radio's got a long road to recovery, a lot of work. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the work into it, but I'm not sure what to do with it yet. Put in the comments if you have any ideas. If you're interested in purchasing it, maybe let me know. So, but anyways, as you can see, this thing's cracked here. So that'll need fixed. And yeah, I'm not sure if I got time to do it, but it certainly looks cool,
Hey, for this and more exciting videos, click like and please subscribe.